Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CNK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context here. But overall, a very respectable bounce when you stop and think about the fact that just on on Thursday at its lows, it was down there, but now Friday, it's been able to battle back up. Now, don't get me wrong. Of course, there's still a lot more work that needs to be done. But my point here is, it made a good, respectable move, but that does lead to the valid question of, yeah, but I mean, is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is right there at 1350. Why is 1350 important? And I'm not saying at all this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, let's say the price were to come down here, behave in that manner, and then work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have a set of lows right there. And if you envision each of those as stair-steps, what do you have? Well, hey, you have stair-steps making progress in the upwards direction. That's what a truly strong move is going to do, right? It's going to make progress. On the flip side, though, if the price were to come down here, behave like that, and then just continue on down, now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you would quite literally have the price right back inside of that range where it just was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Again, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but that is why that would definitely be a very important level of support to watch moving forward. Now, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, if this upwards bounce is going to continue, next key level to watch very closely going to be right up there at $14.75. So $14.75, public enemy number one. But all in all, any angle you look at it, nice, respectable bounce today. Now going forward, it's just a question of can the price continue to build upon this movement and build upon this bounce. Let's see what next week has to offer. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.